In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly fill out a money order. Understanding how to complete a money order accurately can help you avoid any issues when sending money safely and securely. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by locating the pay to or pay to the order of line on the money order. This is where you'll write the full name of the person or the business you're sending money to. It's crucial to use the correct full name here, just as it appears on their ID or official documents. This ensures there are no problems when they go to cash or deposit it. If you make a mistake, do not cross it out. You might have to purchase a new money order because amendments are typically not allowed. Next, move on to the section that asks for your details. This typically includes your name and address. This information is important because it identifies you as the sender. Write your full name clearly and use your address as it appears on official documentation, which will help in case there are any discrepancies or issues with the transaction. This also makes it easier for the recipient to know who sent the money and possibly reach out if needed. Now you're ready to sign the money order. Flip it over to the back where you'll find a line designated for your signature. This is an essential part of completing the money order. It's like signing a check. It authorizes the transfer of funds. Take your time to sign it clearly and accurately, ensuring that it matches the name you've written in the sender section to avoid any potential confusion or mishaps at the point of collection or deposit. After you've filled out and signed your money order, it's incredibly important to keep your receipt. The receipt is usually a detachable stub that comes with your money order and it serves as proof of purchase. It often includes a tracking number that will allow you to check the status of the money order. Keep it in a safe place until the recipient confirms that they've received and cashed the money order. This is your safety net. In case the money order gets lost or if there are any issues, having your receipt will help you lodge a claim or inquiry with the issuer. So there you have it, the straightforward process of filling out a money order. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your transaction goes smoothly. Filling out each section correctly can save you a lot of trouble associated with sending money via money orders. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.